Hello people, and welcome to your very first tutorial for Java for beginners. And in this tutorial we'll just make our system Java ready. Many of you who would be starting Java for the first time, they wouldn't be having JDK standard version or standard edition installed in their systems. So let's just go through how would you download it and how would you install it. Okay, so you open your browser, then you write Java SE, that means standard edition. So this is what you'd get. Open it, oracle.com. So here you can download your JDK, Java JDK. You'll have to accept the license, and based on what your operating system is, get away from here, yeah, sorry for that. Based on what your operating system is, you just download JDK. So I'm just gonna demonstrate you with Windows 64-bit. I actually have it installed already, but just for the sake. So you see the download has just begun, and I guess it's some 100 and yeah, it's almost 100 MB file. So what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna cancel it here since I already have it. You just let it download and then you install it. It's very easy procedure, not a person who's trying to learn Java can do. It's nothing that difficult. So even though you have your JDK installed in your system, the compiler, that means the Java compiler, still needs a location. So if you right click on your command prompt and you open your command prompt and you write Java C, that means Java compiler, and you press enter, it doesn't recognize Java compiler yet because you have not given it a path to where to look for Java compiler. So now we'll learn how to give a path to the computer where to look for the Java compiler. Okay, so wherever you have installed it, you open it. I'm just gonna go to program files, okay, and then Java, and then you see JDK 1.8. so you open JDK, not JRE but JDK, then you open bin. See what I went to bin, and then on any of these files you right click, go to properties, and then copy this whole location, this C program files Java JDK 1.8 bin. You just copy it, and then what you have to do with it, you go to your my computer icon, right click, go to properties, then go to advanced settings, okay, here it is. In advanced settings, go to environment variables, then here you would see temp and temp. Now you have to add a location for your Java compiler. So you click on new, then you type the variable name as path, and you paste in the variable value, paste whatever we have copied from there, and press OK, and then OK, and then OK, and then you can cross this. I'm gonna zoom out now. Yes, and now you again open your command prompt, and if you type JAVAC Java compiler, you see you get a whole bunch of crap here that shows that actually the computer knows where the Java compiler is. So this is what all we're gonna see in tutorial 1, since we don't want to move too fast. In next tutorial I'm gonna see how to download Eclipse and how to actually run a Java file. If you don't have an IDE, that is integrated development environment like Eclipse, you can run a Java file just using a notepad and a compiler, Java compiler, using a command prompt. That is all you would be needing. But since we would be looking for some better aspects, we would see how to download Eclipse for Java as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I've got a lot of things to share with you guys, things that might not be shared in many of the tutorials. No disrespect, but I've got a lot of things to share with you, things which are very rare in Java, not very common. So just hang on to this tutorial, and I promise that once you complete the tutorial, you can do wonders in Java. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, bye bye.